Guys, we are here at the LDS Church located in Oakland, California. It was opened in 1964, and for the first time, they allow the public to see what's inside the temple. The tours, they offer free tours for a month. Fortunately, you cannot take pictures, but they have pictures online. So let's go and take the tour to the temple. Let's go!
The temple was the second in California, following the Los Angeles, California Temple, and the 13th in the world. It currently serves the Latter-day Saints in the Bay Area of Northern California. The history of the Oakland Temple traces back to the early Mormon settlers who came to California in the 1840s. The first group of members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints arrived by sailing ship in Yerba Buena, which is now San Francisco, in July 1846. 238 women, men, and children disembarked from the ship Brooklyn, following a 6-month journey from New York City. Soon after arriving, the settlers established the first newspaper, the first school, and the first library, and the first bank in California. They laid the foundation for an economy based upon farming, industry, and commerce in Northern California. Starting in 1848, they became an essential source of goods, supplies, and services for gold miners who came following the discovery of gold in 1848. The quiet village of Yerba Buena was quickly transformed into the vibrant city of San Francisco. Many of the early settlers came across the bay to establish homes and farms in the East Bay, including Oakland and the Central Valley. In 1924, Elder George Albert Smith, then an apostle of the church, was visiting with the local church leader on the roof terrace of the hotel overlooking San Francisco Bay. There, he saw a vision of a white temple upon the eastern hills, an ensign to all the world travelers as they sailed through the Golden Gate into this wonderful harbor. In the 1930s, a committee of local church leaders chaired by Eugene Hilton sought to identify a suitable plot of land upon which to construct a temple. The committee looked at various places in the Oakland area, but focused on an initial 14.5-acre site where the Oakland Temple is now located. The president of the church, David O. McKay, visited the site in 1942 and the land was purchased. Additional adjacent parcels were acquired, making a total of 18.3 acres. The first buildings on the newly acquired land were a chapel, an auditorium, and a large cultural hall called the Interstate Center. It was completed in 1959. Soon after that, in December 1960, David O. McKay announced plans to construct the Oakland Temple. Groundbreaking for the temple took place on May 26, 1962. The Oakland Temple was designed by architect Harold W. Burton. Local members of the church helped supply funds and goods for the construction. Quarried in Raymond, California, about 3-hour drive from Oakland, Sierra White granite was used to face reinforced concrete. Large panels that weighed 2 tons depict Christ's ministry in the Holy Land in America. Decoratively adorn the temple's north and south faces. These 35-foot sculpted panels were a challenge to attach because the artist requested that no metal drilled holes penetrate the friezes. The building has many Asian-inspired elements represented in the structure of the building along with the interior design. The Oakland Temple was completed on September 27, 1964. Prior to the dedication, public open houses of the newly constructed temple were held over a 5-week period. Almost 400,000 people toured the temple during the open house. A half-century after its dedication, the Oakland California Temple continues to stand as a beacon and a spiritual lighthouse over the San Francisco Bay. In February of 2018, the temple was closed for substantial renovations. That work was finished in May 2019, when the Oakland Temple was once again open for 3 weeks for public tours, the first time the public has been invited inside the temple since 1964. So let's take the tour inside the temple.
Here I raise mine Ebenezer, hither by thy help I'm come, and I hope by thy good pleasure safely to arrive at home. Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God, he to rescue me from danger interposed his precious blood. Oh, to grace, how great a debtor daily I'm constrained to be. Let thy goodness like a fetter bind my wandering heart to thee. Prone to wander, Lord, I feel it. Prone to leave all that I love. Here's my heart, Lord, take and seal it for thy courts of love.
Adjacent to the temple is the Visitor Center, which includes artworks and displays. Visitors can also learn more about the temple, have questions answered, and learn more about the LDS Church.
Guys, I hope you enjoy our walk around the temple and the history behind the Oakland LDS. Until next time, bye.
So guys, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment.
Hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell, hit the bell. Come on guys, hit the bell. For notifications. And don't forget to share.
And Lord!